Hi, and if you can see, is a common problem of this one. If you go in a transmission, that code is coming 7222793. If you come to the engine side, you can see that code is coming 00D4, read fault memory of control unit CVT, and 00D2, control unit memory of the control unit CVT. So that's two code is stored in engine side, not transmission. So that's you have to delete when you done the job. You have to delete that code, and you have to delete go in a transmission, and then you have to delete that code as well, 7222793. That 7222793 code is coming the reason of the speed sensors in the control unit, and these two code is coming like 00D4 and 00D2. That code is coming reason of that sensors. So when we fix that unit, you will install inside the car, and then after that you have to delete whole car. Like you have to delete engine side, you have to delete transmission side, and then you can erase all the code. Then you can drive. No need to programming, nothing, plug and play. So that's the very easy job. Is not like only just reset. You don't need to do SCN coding, nothing. If you send the unit to us, we will ready in a couple of hours, and then send it back to you, and then you're gonna clear all the codes after installation. So thanks for watching our videos. Thanks.